Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate drawing. First, gather your essential tools: high-quality chocolate, parchment paper, and a piping bag. Selecting couverture chocolate ensures a smooth, professional finish. Prepare a flat, cool surface where your delicate chocolate creations can set undisturbed. Having everything ready before you begin will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This foundational step is crucial for successful results. Next, gently melt your chosen chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, being careful not to scorch it. Tempering is a vital step. It ensures a beautiful, glossy finish and prevents unsightly white streaks, known as blooming. Aim to maintain a working temperature between 88 and 91 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal consistency. This precise temperature control is key to creating stable and visually appealing chocolate art. Now, carefully transfer your perfectly tempered chocolate into a piping bag fitted with a small, round tip. Before tackling complex designs, practice drawing simple shapes and straight lines on a piece of parchment paper. This helps build confidence and control. Remember to work quickly and with a steady hand, as the chocolate will begin to set relatively fast. Precision in piping is essential for detailed and elegant drawings. Finally, allow your intricate chocolate drawings to set completely in a cool, dry place for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Once fully hardened, carefully and gently peel the parchment paper away from your delicate designs. Your beautiful chocolate creations are now ready. Use them to elegantly garnish cakes, cupcakes, or other desserts, or simply enjoy them as delightful, edible works of art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.